Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you are all well. I'm the English teacher of TSS Khayaban campus. Today we are going to start how to write instructional writing. Let's start. Making a jam sandwich. Use the knife to spread butter on one side of both slices of bread. Place 2 slices of bread on the plate. Cut the sandwich into 4 squares or 4 triangles. Spread jam on top of the butter on one of the slices. Eat and enjoy your sandwiches while they are fresh. Take the slice of bread with no jam on and put it on top of the jammed slice. The buttered side should go on top of the jam. Now we are going to start how to write an application. Write an application to the principal for arranging a trip to museum. First of all, we will write the principal. Principal का P is capital. The spirit school. Spirit का S capital. School का S capital. D. G. Khan. Respected madam. With due respect, we are the students of class 5 beg to submit the following for our kind and favorable consideration, that quite a large number of students of our class wish to visit museum next Friday. We have heard a lot about this place. We hope that this visit will be very useful for us from educational point of view, and we do not want to lose this opportunity. We shall ever remain grateful for this act of kindness. Yours obediently, XYZ name. Now we are going to start concrete noun and abstract noun. First of all, we know what is concrete noun. Concrete noun are the nouns. Concrete noun ऐसी nouns होती हैं that are observed, जिनको observed किया जाता है by our senses के ज़रिए. For example, we can see, touch, hear, smell or taste. Now, what is abstract noun? Abstract noun refers to the things. Abstract noun उन चीज़ों को रेफर करता है we cannot touch, जिनको हम छू नहीं सकते, hear, see, smell or taste. It is something we experience like an idea or an emotion. For example, the dog jumped over fence. In this example, dog and fence are concrete noun. Dog and fence are concrete nouns. And abstract noun, my mom's birthday is in summer. In this example, birthday and summer are abstract noun. Birthday and summer are abstract noun. Abstract nouns.